Hi Cookaholics, welcome to my YouTube channel on our 5th recipe already. Today's recipe comes from the States. This recipe I learned it when I had my first ever trip by myself. I was 17 years old. I went to the States to Spain to spend it was like 20 days living with a family there. I had a very nice time and I learned this recipe there. So get ready for our buffalo chicken wings. So as you know, the buffalo chicken wings comes from the States. But I did some research and I found this very old documentary explaining the origin. So I think that the best thing is if you see it by yourself.
In 1965, moms from America were having trouble satisfying their children's appetite. But worry not, Rambellissimo from the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York has come up with the perfect sauce for your chicken wings. Good job, Mom! Look how happy little Timmy is now! Save some space for dessert, kiddo!
To do our buffalo chicken wings, we will use 1.5 kilograms of chicken wings, 130 milliliters of Frank sauce, 10 milliliters of distilled vinegar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne, 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of Tabasco, 125 grams of butter, salt, and olive oil. As for the utensils, we will need a pot, a plate with some kitchen paper, a bowl with a lid, a plate to serve, a big pan with a lid, two wooden spatulas and a wooden spoon. Put the butter, the Frank sauce, the distilled vinegar, the cayenne, the garlic powder, the Tabasco and the salt on the pot and turn the stove on at high-medium heat. Start mixing with a wooden spoon until the butter is melted and stop just before the sauce starts boiling. Cover the pot with its lid and save it for later. Put some olive oil on the pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, lower the heat to medium level and put all the chicken wings in it. Cover the pan and leave it for a while. Once one side is done, remove the lid and turn the chicken's wings around. Cover with the lid again and keep on doing so until the wings are golden fried. Put the chicken wings on the plate with kitchen paper and dry the all of them. Put the chicken wings now in the bowl and pour the sauce over them. Cover the bowl with its lid and shake it for a while until the wings are well covered with sauce. serve in a plate, and it's ready to eat.
So with this we finish this recipe. I hope you're enjoying it so far. If you have any doubts or if you want to look for more information, you can go to our blog, cookaholicstheblog.blogspot.co.uk, and you can make any comments, suggestions, questions. Okay, don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe. Right, enjoy cooking and see you, Cookaholics!
Oops, that must hurt!